everyone, good afternoon. Welcome to Nature Notes. This afternoon we will be talking about the gray tree frog. And so here is an example of the gray tree frog, and it is large in size. It's about 2 inches, and it also has large sticky toes that help it cling to different surfaces such as this leaf that you see here. So as you can tell, they can vary in colors from gray to light green, and they also have a light spot beneath their eye that can help you identify them. They change colors from darker if they're a bit cold to lighter if they're warmer, and they also adapt to their environment, kind of like a chameleon, but they tend to change colors slower than a chameleon would. And also their color helps them camouflage in with their different environments. Another way that you can identify them is from their bright yellow and orange coloration from underneath their thighs, which is really, really awesome, I think. They have a wide range from East United States to the Midwest and then Central Texas as well. And they're most commonly found in forested areas. So the gray tree frog is nocturnal, and during the day you can see them resting on trees or even bathing in the sun to keep warm. Their diet is mostly moths or different insects, flies, and things such as that. And as you may know, they have long, sticky tongues, and here's an example of how it works. So here's a little fly, and they shoot it out, grab the fly, and it sticks to it. So they breed mostly in March and August, and usually in early summer is the busiest time for their breeding. The males make sound, and they have a croak, and they have a black and gray throat that you can kind of see on this male here. However, the females don't vocalize at all, and they have a white throat, and they're usually a bit larger than the males. And so we can listen to the call. What's the password?
1111.
And a fun fact about the tree frog is that they produce a toxin on their skin that many people might not know about. And so if you ever handle one, it's just important that you wash your hands afterwards because it can affect your skin and your eyes and be really irritating. So, thank you.